Hey folks, how's it all going? Oh man, we're going to talk about charcoal today. I don't talk about charcoal. You know how I love the B&B charcoal. And I tell you what, I've got an expert here with me on charcoal today. I've got Brian from MadHorse BBQ. And yeah, I tell you what, we're going to be friendly about charcoal today because we got the friendly beer going on here, Green Bell Premium, but this stuff is sold at Walmart. It's their brand. It's called Expert Grill 5-star, and this was 16 pounds for 6 ounces for $6. And I'll tell you what, it is oak and hickory blend. And we've got, what do we got here? We got a UDS, Brian. What kind of UDS is this?
This is my homemade UDS.
This is a homemade UDS, and we're going to be doing some beer brats on here today. And I'll tell you what, we're going to give you our opinion as whether or not this Expert Grill stuff from Walmart for $6 for 16 pounds is any good. Keep on watching. It's going to be a good one. You know, I just want to point out here that this Expert Grill stuff says right there, ready to cook in 15 minutes. Design promotes better airflow. Enjoy with, and they got a cow, and there's a chicken, and a pig, and fish. 100% satisfaction guaranteed. I mean, that's a pretty bold statement from the people from Expert. All right, let's take a closer look. Oak and hickory. Brian, can you tell what that is?
That is Eastern European hickory, actually.
See, good stuff.
Yep, good stuff.
All right, so you're wondering, Tom, how can I make one of these myself? And I'll tell you what, we'll answer that question. Go ahead, BBQ Brian.
Well, you can get all these parts from udsparts.com. I believe you can get barrels from them too. If not, just look around Facebook Marketplace for, basically you want to find barrels that haven't had oil stored in them. I got lucky and found a couple of these. They didn't have anything in them, so minimal prep work. But parts are from udsparts.com.
udsparts.com, folks. I'll leave the link down below. We've got our charcoal going. The 15 minutes is counting down. All right, we got the beer brats going on, the UDS there. And I'll tell you what, oh man, Johnsonville. And got the Expert Grill 5-star. This stuff is supposed to be ready in 15 minutes. So we'll ask a professional here. BBQ Brian, was that ready in 15 minutes?
No, but I mean, we're cooking on a drum and we wanted to get the coals a little hotter. So maybe in like a kettle, it probably would have been ready in 15.
All right, so there you have it from an expert. And oh, I'll tell you what, we're gonna get a little color on those, and then we're gonna put them in some beer with some onions. Oh man, is that gonna be good? Oh man, I'll tell you what, look at that, we're getting some nice color on the UDS. A lot of people don't think of this as just for low and slow, but yeah, you can get some nice color, get a lot of nice sear marks on there. Once we get sear marks on both sides, then it's going to go in the beer bath. So keep on watching, folks. All right, let's take a look. See, oh man, take a look. We've got there's a dozen beer brats from Johnsonville in there, onions and beer and BBQ Brian. What do you think?
Boy, Expert Grill 5-star oak and hickory blend charcoal.
That's good.
Ooh, pretty good.
All right, we'll give it a look. See when it's plated up, folks. All right, so questions are, does it work? Yeah, it does work. We're gonna do taste tests yet to see if these beer brats with the Expert Grill 5-star hickory and oak from Walmart actually works. And I'll tell you what, I'll give you that coming up. All right, some of us are not eating beer brats, but some of us are, and they are delicious. Folks took a bite out of them, and Baker approves, and so do I. Thumbs up, leave a comment as always, folks. Thanks for watching.